I also remember going to what was then called Giddu Bandar. I saw that people who had, I didn't know it was mental illness, but I saw some people that were treated very inhumane because they were tied in chains, they were behind bars. It really sparked my curiosity.
And in Pakistan, every 12th person is suffering from psychiatric issue.
In a country of 200 million people, we have one psychiatrist for 500,000 people. Further, the access is blocked by a number of reasons. Sometimes access is not available, sometimes it is not required or desired is a better word. Because if I believe that my hearing voices, which is a symptom of, could be a symptom of some mental illness, or seeing things that other people don't see, is because of a jinn possession. So why would I look for a psychiatrist? I would go to a Maulvi, get some taweez, Pir Fakir, whatever spiritual treatment makes sense to me.
I remember talking to my brother, and he said, okay, you can do it, I will help you. And he challenged me. I said, okay, I'll take this challenge.
But the reason why we came here is because the level of poverty is so bad that people are suffering from mental illness. They don't have 7,000 rupees an hour or 5,000 to see a therapist. So how can they do that?
I was here in 2020 as an observer with Professor Iqbal Afridi, and our building at that time needed a lot of work. The security factor is huge. Infrastructure wasn't there the way we wanted it.
और अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह एक जदीद बिल्डिंग और तकरीबन 3 गुने से ज़्यादा बेड्स का इजाफ़ा किया गया ताकि ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा पेशेंट्स की ट्रीटमेंट फराहम की जा सके।
इधर मैं आया हूँ तकरीबन 1 महीने से। डॉक्टर साबिंदा से मैं बातचीत करने के इलाज कर रहा हूँ, और इधर दूसरा डॉक्टर है वो दवाई लिख के देती है। पहले एक बात मतलब जेल में डालिए फिर वो निकलता है आसानी से नहीं, काफ़ी तकलीफ था। अभी तो बात आता है जाता है मतलब इतना सोचते नहीं थे। पहले छोटे छोटे बातों पे बहुत ज़्यादा सोचता था, अभी मैं काफ़ी बेहतर हो गया।
जना अस्पताल को मैं खुशामदीद कहता हूँ। हम गरीबों का बहुत ज़्यादा ख्याल करते हैं, बहुत प्यार करते हैं। कोई पैसा टका नहीं मांगते, कोई पैसा टका नहीं लेते। बहुत अच्छे डॉक्टर, बहुत अच्छी लेडी डॉक्टर, बहुत अच्छा स्टाफ।
The Department of Psychiatry is not only concerned with the clinical purpose for the care of the patients, but teaching training programs are going on simultaneously.
Every patient has to attend a group, therapeutics group, every day. Groups will address specific aspects of their life. First of all, it will improve their social skills. It will get them to do something instead of just being bored. And it will also improve their reintegration to society after post-discharge.
We also have online Zoom sessions with US psychiatrists. Those really help us because their aim is to bring us on par with American psychiatric residents, and exactly that's what they're doing. So we interview our patients and we present our cases with them, and that has really helped us.
I would like to pay my gratitude to Savaira group, especially Dr. Yasmin and Dr. Asif, who have contributed a lot for the establishment of this state-of-the-art unit.
It's been a 180-degree turn. So they've really set a standard and they've really set a mark for psychiatry in the country with this project.
Whatever I have done so far, I would not have been able to do it alone. I need all of you to walk the walk with me, shoulder this cause, so each one of us can carry these souls over the line.